Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Backdrop panel in Lightroom Classic CC lets you customize the slideshow's background. The three elements of the slideshow's background consist of the color wash, background image, and background color. You can apply any or all of these background elements in any combination you want. The color wash applies a gradient you select to the slide background. The background image lets you select a slide background image and set its opacity. The background color lets you set the solid color that appears behind the color wash and background image if applied. To set the slide background, expand the backdrop panel in the slideshow module. To add a color wash or gradient to the slide background, check the color wash checkbox in the backdrop panel. Then click the adjacent color chip to open the color wash pop-up menu where you can select a color. And then click the X in its upper left corner to close it. Then use the opacity slider to set the transparency of the color wash. Then click and drag on either the angle slider or button to set the angle at which the gradient appears in the slide background. To add a background image to the slideshow, check the background image checkbox in the backdrop panel. Then drag and drop the photo to use as the background from the film strip onto the image preview in the backdrop panel. Then use the adjacent opacity slider to set its transparency level. To apply a background color to the slideshow, check the background color checkbox in the backdrop panel. Then click the adjacent color chip to open the background color pop-up menu where you can select a color, and then click the X in the upper left corner to close it. To remove either the color wash, background image, or background color from the slideshow, simply uncheck its associated checkbox within the backdrop panel.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.